What is up, everybody? Welcome back to the channel, boys. Look. Yes, as promised, we're doing Leadfoot Gray things today. Car is, we got the K-member back out, which it was just kind of sitting in there before. But clearly, she's up in the air for one reason and one reason only, and that is we've got to get some drivetrain in it, start mocking things up, see how everything's going to fit, see what we're going to need. So, gonna be a busy day today, boys. Let's go. All right, boys, so if you caught the upload last week, we got everything married together. Got the headers on, got the starter, the bell housing, the transmission, Stifler's cross member. I mean, everything is here, McLeod clutch. So, basically, this thing is ready to ride. All the power by the hour front accessory drive is on. Yeah. We got the total package here, boys. So, do have the K-member out. Found the motor mounts. They were in the stash somewheres, but we did find those. But engine is ready to rock and roll. So, that's what we're going to do. All right, Dover, it's marriage day again, isn't it?
Yes, sir.
We're going to do more marrying stuff.
Chop the wheels, Joe, for the car. I think I got my stand, so it's going to be okay.
Oh. Take red one out.
Yeah.
All right, boys, so.
Maybe that'll work.
Yeah, hopefully, right? Let her down here. See, I didn't get one of these. I need one of these cool Coyote.
You ain't got a Gen 2.
Yeah, that's true.
That's for the Gen 2, man.
One of these days I'll be cool, right?
Maybe.
I don't know. I'm not holding my breath.
You probably ain't going to hang out, happen to hanging out with me, so.
Yeah. We'll just keep slumming it with our Gen 1s. All right, boys. So all we're doing is really getting the body supported, and then we're just going to roll the whole drivetrain up under. It's actually really that simple. Getting her chalked up. Did you already get the motor mounts on it? Oh, there is the AJE motor mounts. Guys, that is the difference if you run the AJE. These are all fixed. You just use, get different ones like, I don't know what you'd even call them, but they're basically just like a bracket instead of a mount. And, of course, it's got the poly bushing right there. Just run the bolt through it. Nothing to it.
Come down with it a little bit there. You get it?
Oh, yeah. All right. Probably gonna be a little heavy in the back.
That's all right.
That's good. Oh, okay. Got the handling shifter on it. Got the Stifler's cross member. Ooh, this thing is legit. Got all the cam sensors in. Coolant temperature sensor in. She's good to rock.
You go up a little more. Here you go. Here's your bolt. Front to back. Yeah.
Can you bring it up?
That's good. That's good there. I think I gotta come my way first. You don't pass my header here. All right.
Yeah, there you go. Yeah. There it is, boys. Just line that up. Stick the bolt through. It's snug, that's for sure.
I'm almost there. Got it. Got it in the front.
Yeah, we're gonna pop it in there.
There
There
it
it
is.
goes. All right.
I'll get this again.
There she is.
Yeah, man. enough? That's the question.
Yeah, we'll figure it out in a minute.
Get to the side.
Pull this off one.
Bring it up.
You think it'll fit through there? I'll just take this off right quick.
It should. Yeah, lift that up. Look like it will. Tight but good. I think we have a winner.
Oh, yeah.
Yes, sir. Oh.
Push the back around, Alex. There you go.
Look at that.
Something like that.
Like it's made for it, right?
Somewhere in that area. Let me get the chair, Chris.
Sit her back down, see how she looks. Not bad, not bad. Love it.
See if I can get them longer fingers to hold still.
Alright, so just gonna lift the body back up, get the jack stands underneath it, out from underneath it. Better lower the car down. Curious how the shifter's gonna come through. Right about where it needs to. Yes, sir. Looks good. I forgot to mention, guys, we got the heater box and dash sitting in the car already. It's just kind of sitting there, but still got to get the pedals, dash assembly, or dash harness in there. But progress. All right. Going up. That's it. Ready to come down.
Turn that motor out over there.
Yeah. All right. So we're ready to come down slowly and carefully.
That wheel chop. We'll roll back on.
Yeah, it's got a bunch of boxes back there too. All right, boys, coming down. Slowly, slowly. Everything looks clear so far. Hey, Alex, that shifter needs to come towards me just a hair. Let's see. Yeah. Well, no, back the other way now. There you go.
Sure.
Yeah. Throttle body's good. That cam covers.
One thing is, we come down too, you can push the car side to side a little bit.
Yeah.
Might be easier to move the motor.
A little tight back there.
I'm clear over here.
Firewall good?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah.
A mile away.
Yeah, you got plenty.
Once we get close, I'll probably have to take the jack and stick it in the front of the car and
Yeah.
pick the front of that up. The back's gonna meet way more front.
Everything's good. Shifter is through the hole.
Looking good over here.
Yeah, so it tilts a little bit. Alright, boys, doing it this way, you gotta kind of level out the cart to the car because the body's sitting on the transmission and the car still needs to come down, so we're just jacking up the cart a little bit. We should be able to marry everything. That's pretty well level.
Need to go forward, Jeremy.
With the motor?
Yeah.
There you go, there you go.
A little bit more.
Forward more?
Yeah.
Let's see
You ready?
here.
Yeah. Hey, Mel.
Actually, you're
Hold it.
yeah. That's about level with the body now.
I think you can probably let that down a little bit more.
Okay.
Don't you think you need to let the car down a little bit now?
Yeah, this car did come down there.
All right, say when.
We're off the transmission.
That's cool. Slowly, very slowly. All right, here it comes.
It's coming.
You got a spacer over there, Alex?
Yeah.
Keep coming.
Hold on a second.
All right.
We gotta go back with the motor out. Alright.
You can tell it's kind of cocked a little bit.
Got one hole started. They started.
Looks like it. Oh, it does.
Got started over here.
Yeah. Both it? You got both? I was saying, it's starting to pull it up, so.
And put my ball joint nut on too. I put the ball joint nut on to kind of hold that.
Excellent.
Yeah, we're gonna have to jack it up. I guess, yeah, we don't need to pick it up with that though. I need to jack it up and put the stands back under.
With the body?
Small ones.
Yeah, let me unhook the.
Yeah, you can unhook
The
it.
red one.
Yeah.
Alright. Get this thing out of the
There
way.
you go up.
Yeah. How far?
Just enough to get stand in it.
A bit more. Alright.
Got it?
Alright, boys, progress. Got
Nah, I put
A-arms, ball joints bolted up over here. K-member bolts are in.
I ain't gonna be able to get mine there.
Want to move it back to right here? Put them right there.
Just gonna support the body. That way we can take the jack out. Get the card out from underneath it.
You can't get in front of the camera.
Should be good.
I don't know.
All right. He's free. They're officially bolted together. There's your shifter.
Tail shaft.
Bring the tail shaft up.
Bring the jack up, back up under here.
Yeah. All right, boys. We got the cart and that out of the way. Jack the tail shaft up. Should be fully bolted up. Busy day. Get a little walk through getting this engine and transmission in the car. As you see, guys, just because it's sitting there does not mean we're about to start it up. Guys, there is so much to do. Like just all the little parts, trim, molding, wiring. You know, this car has a lot to do. Whole lot. But it is coming along. Engine trans, headers, everything, roll cage, suspension. You know, a little bit of progress goes a long way, but this car is going to be a whole lot of fun. So, what else we got coming? Of course, Jeremy's car. Going to be doing some more stuff on that, and then no, there may be something over there that you'll get to see in the next upload. Alex has been very busy. Alex, have you been busy?
A little bit.
Alex has been very busy. I can't show you what we're doing, but it's right there. I'm not turning the camera, but you'll get to see that in the next upload. So in the meantime, oh man, I flashed it. All you guys that are fast on the draw, you can pause and see what we're talking about. But that is what is up, guys. Man, we got a lot done today. A whole lot done. So in the meantime, if you like badass car builds, truck builds, basically anything cool, and you like my hat, please give me a big thumbs up. Make sure you smash that subscribe button. We'll catch up with you next time.